it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video I want to show you a little bit about Flodesk favorites. So what they are, here you can see in my Flodesk account, I'm in an email newsletter here, and so what they are is just little blocks that you can save as favorites so that you can easily bring them into another email template. So it's honestly as easy as having your block, saving it to a favorite here. You can see this is already one of my favorites, my signature type of thing. So then when it's trying to perhaps create another email template through their beautiful collection, let's just go things and maybe hop into this template. Beautiful. Okay, customize it. And then when they get down to the signature portion, this is going to be as easy as hitting that plus button, favorites, and then they're all going to pull up on the side here. So you can see I've saved a few. The one I want now is one with the picture. And then I also have another favorite for my common links. So actually I need to hit one and then hit the plus, grab another favorite, and there we go. The links that I want to include in all my newsletters are easy peasy, thanks to that favorites option. So I hope this was really helpful in saving you time and personalizing and branding your Flodesk newsletters. And thanks for watching.